In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed videos on Shopify pages, products, and themes. This useful feature allows you to provide more interactive content for your customers, enhancing their shopping experience while also showcasing your products in a more dynamic way. So let's walk through the steps together to embed a video into your Shopify products. To get started, we'll first navigate to your Shopify store. Begin by logging into your Shopify admin panel. You'll land on the home page, which is basically your store's control center. From here, we can access all the features and settings for your store. Now, let's move on to find the product you'd like to add the video to. Click on the Products section, which you can find on the left-hand sidebar of your admin dashboard. This will take you to a list of all the products that are currently available in your store. Scroll through or simply use the search function if you have many items to deal with and find the product you wish to update. For our example, we're going to be working with a product named Example Shirt 2. Click on the name of the product, and this will take you to that product's details page, where we can adjust the content and details related to it. Once you are on the product details page, look for the option that says Insert Video. This will usually be present in or near the product description editor, where you control how your product information is communicated to your customers. Clicking here will allow us to begin embedding the video into the page. Next, you'll be prompted to enter the video link. This is where you can paste the URL of the video you want to showcase. It could be a YouTube link or any other hosted video link that supports embedding. Make sure that the link is correct and points directly to the video you'd like your customers to see. Take a moment to double-check that the URL is accurate and complete to prevent any errors when previewing. Once you have pasted the link into the provided field, you're going to look for an Insert Video button. Click it, and Shopify will embed the video directly into the product description where you previously specified. You can always preview the changes to ensure that the video appears as you'd expect it to on the product page. Keep in mind that embedding videos can significantly enhance your product listings by offering a richer, more informative experience for potential buyers. Videos are a great way to demonstrate products, share customer testimonials, or simply to convey a brand message in a more engaging format. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to incorporate video content into your Shopify store. With just a few clicks, you can make your product pages much more captivating and dynamic for someone browsing through your offerings.